Residents of island municipalities in Palawan are the beneficiaries of a sea ambulance donated by a non-government organization in Japan. The full story from George Bandola.
With a maximum speed of 35 knots per hour, armed with a truck-like machine and equipped with some of the Japanese basic medical equipment, the country's first sea ambulance kicks off in Palawan province. The Department of Health in Region 4B formally accepts the sea ambulance that is seen to benefit the island municipalities of Culion, Coron, Busuanga, and Linapacan.
Yung mobility ng mga tao, lalo na doon sa mga bundok at saka sa maliliit na isla na may mga barangay pa tayo. So isa yan sa pinakamahirap na solusyonan. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, meron tayong partnership sa air, may partnership dito sa sea. Aside from the land, nagde-design tayo ng land ambulance na angkop dito sa area.
Hanairo believes that while the influx of local and foreign tourists continue to populate the island municipalities, the sea ambulance will primarily cater to the needs of the residents. Ambulance patients will be brought to the Culion Sanitarium and General Hospital and to the Coron District Hospital in Palawan.
Sir, sorry matagal na tayong archipelagic Bakit una pa lang?
Yun nga nakakatama na loob. Dapat matagal na. Siguro nga nagkakaroon na tayo pagkakataon na medyo may pera na rin tayo dahil sa syntax. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng mga paraan ngayon para gawin to.
For the PTV News, George Bandola.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.